And what's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we are looking at the Intelligent Body Fat Scale by Sinocare. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we discount tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out fibcedmonton.ca, hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is this smart, intelligent, this is the intelligent body fat scale, and today we're gonna put it to the test and see what else you could do. So here we go. Pretty excited for this one. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be embarrassed, because I'm a pretty heavy guy, right? But I'll put it out here and see if it's any good or not. So here we go. Some literature right there, and then the actual scale itself. There we go. Right there, some plastic, and good to go. There you go. Very nice. So as you can see, the design there has 4 plates right there. It'll show you, that'll read, if you put your foot there, it'll read the body scale, body mass right there, composition. On the back here, you will need 2 AAA batteries. This part right here is cushiony as well, so that it'll get your body weight there as well. There you go. That's how it measures it. Pretty cool design, right? There you go. Now what we'll do is we're gonna download the app by scanning the QR code on the instruction manual. Here it is. The app is called Fit Days. We're just gonna download that and register as well. We can put our profile there as well. We're gonna make an account, and then let's get back into the features. For this to work as well, make sure that your Bluetooth is on your iPhone. Once you are done registering, you're just gonna put your username, your birth date, your height, and also your weight here, and then you're just gonna choose if you're male or female. It doesn't matter, and then you can take a photo as well. Now for this to work, you have to be barefooted and both of your feet has to touch the metal part of it, or else it wouldn't work. The other feature is pretty cool because you can sync this with your health app on your iPhone, so that's really good for referencing it with other apps, and it's integrated with that because of the health app. Now let's go ahead and jump into the scale and show you guys how this thing works. As you could see there, I jumped in on the scale and then I stayed on the scale for a few seconds, and it'll have the measuring ring there, and then now it's finished. When it is finished, you will see all the information you need here by clicking more data. On the front screen there, you'll see the weight, the BMI, and the body fat. And then if you want more data, you can see all the information here, and it'll tell you as well if it's too high, or if it's average, or maybe it's too low, maybe it's high enough. So yeah, it'll make you feel bad about yourself, or it'll motivate you to work out and eat healthier.
Now, for those of you who love graphs and you want to see how your progress is doing, they also have that. So if you have it at recent or weeks, you can even arrange it on month and year and how well you've gone or where you've been and where you are going. So you could set goals for yourself so that you can have certain body fat slash weight, and then you'll be able to track it here and see all the graphs as well. So that's really cool.
And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on a choice on a smart body composition scale. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.